So when I was, putting all this stuff in, so I did exactly as the thing indicated, and I got this error rung missing. Maybe I did it wrong.
Your error is your rung isn't complete. So this would need an address or a tag, and then you would also need some sort of output instruction on this side. You don't need to, like, if you delete this rung, so right click on that rung
Cut wrong.
and just, yeah, or just hit the delete key. Now, if you compile it, there won't be any errors. So you don't have to have any logic.
Oh, okay, so it did
But
work
obviously,
this time.
yep,
Okay, excellent.
yep.
Oh, okay, that solves it. Okay, so
Okay,
in other
cool.
words, if you're just adding all these modules, that's really all you need to do for this exercise.
Yep,
Oh,
exactly.
okay, that wasn't
Yeah,
so
and
bad.
I think there's maybe some tags that you're supposed to define as well.